Unveiling the secrets of hard cider. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun to learn. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, hard cider. This term can be quite confusing for English learners, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in a conversation. So, let's get started. When you hear the word cider, you might think of a sweet drink made from apples. However, when we add the word hard in front of it, we're talking about something quite different. Hard cider refers to an alcoholic beverage made from the fermented juice of apples. It's similar to apple juice, but it's gone through a fermentation process that produces alcohol. So, while apple cider can be enjoyed by all ages, hard cider is strictly for adults over the legal drinking age. The term hard cider has an interesting background. Historically, in the UK, cider always meant the alcoholic version. However, when English speakers from the UK came to the United States, they found that Americans were calling sweet, non-alcoholic apple juice cider. To distinguish between the two, Americans started referring to the alcoholic drink as hard cider. This term makes it clear that the cider contains alcohol and is not the same as the sweet, non-alcoholic version. Now that we know what hard cider means, let's put it into context. Here are a few examples of how you can use this phrase in a sentence. After a long day at work, a glass of hard cider is my go-to relaxation drink. Do you prefer hard cider or beer? They both have unique tastes. At the fall festival, they were serving homemade hard cider and it was delicious. Remember, when you're using the term hard cider, it implies that you're talking about an alcoholic beverage. So it's important to use this term appropriately. I hope this video has cleared up any confusion about what hard cider means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the little nuances that make it so rich and interesting. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language learning content. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious. Cheers!